You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Make a great choice today with the 2013 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like HEMI and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.